Bel?
Si Bel?
Si Bel? Char.
Char.
Wala dyan. Char, on. Lumagot sa Char. O, lagi.
Sige na, sige si Bel.
Si Bel?
Kailan man ako.
Sa kantong ano na ba?
Tumabagam.
Si Bel? Mao man tong kuan. Mao man ang kurso. Oo. Si Bel?
Uy, si Bel.
Iyang kurso, si Bel. Si Bel.
Katong engineering.
Ano magiging nila? Dapat nga na pa-relate.
Untang si Bel. Si Bel Engineering.
Ano man?
Hi, Di! Hi, Han! Hi, Lo!
Hi, the bird.
Yung saban si Bel.
Si Bel.
Si Bel? Atong-atong classmate? Basta si Bel. Si Bel. At naging may dagbo gani na shrimp. Aba mga ganun-duman? Oo. Oo, Diyos. Puro si Syria. Usahay, order sa atbang. Palit ng kinain. Saging. Oo na.
Saging ilang manong araw-araw. Oy, langon ta pants ni mo. Pants ni mo.
Actually, bali nila mga tao, random people na ganyan. Hindi, gusto lang mo kilaya sa ino. Kaya kami kilaya. Promise. Promise.
Super random.
Promise. Random. We don't know. Random. We don't know them.
Happy birthday. God bless.
I want to greet you a happy birthday to all the best in life, and I hope that you find peace and happiness, and you can always take care of yourself. Happy birthday! Sana hindi mo pinapabayaan yung pag-aaral mo, yung napaka-importante kasi maswerte kayo mga nakakapag-aaral talaga. And unahin mo na ang pag-aaral bago boyfriend, bago kung ano-ano pa. And so there, sana maging masaya ko ngayong araw dito. At sana mas marami pang opportunities and blessings ang bigay sa inyo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. And I hope to get to know you better because I believe that you're a good person and you have a good heart. So I hope you get all the blessings that you deserve this year and may you always be happy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you! Well, you know what? I'm very glad to know how diligent you are as a student and how sexy you are. How sexy you are. So I hope that you keep the grades better. Keep sexy, stay sexy, and study hard. Finish school. Okay? Happy birthday.
18. Happy 18th birthday. Uy, 18 ka na ngayon, so malaya ka na, 41. Pero hindi, dapat 18 ka na, mas mabigat na responsibility mo. So, minsan ka lang dadaan sa teenage life, and sana, pagdating na panahon, and you look back, sana sana maganda yung memories mo. And sana, mapaligaya mo ang parents mo. So, okay? Happy birthday. Enjoy your party. I'm sure marami kayong happening dyan. So, enjoy. And I'm wishing you all the best on your special day. And always. So, happy birthday.
Hi, this is Jesus Cordero. Aking taus-pusong babasa ng iyong kaarawan. Naway patuloy kang pagpalain at giyahan ng Panginoon para mas maraming pang kaarawan ang iyong pagdiwang.
So how's the people that? Medyo sikat, pero wala sila ila. How was it? Hindi ito
Okay ba? Okay.
Ginagawa na mo na daw pag-other, ha? Take note.
Grabe, kakabayo pa lamang ka kasi
Maudod, may.
and verdict, nagsanto pa na ako sa
Showtime. Si Bea, ito mo lang dapat na magkariban. Bisa last taping, maudod na.
Si Papa Pisat sa Noah.
Okay, ka.
Si Bayo.
Okay, si Tony.
Si Tony.
Stalker. Siya.
Si
Asap.
Chris, nagsanto pa na ako sa kuwan.
Si landlord sa ano. Sa immortal.
Tanhandok pa kami dito ng mga Iya, lahat ng alas na pala. Grabe. Wala pa lang pala. So, Kuman, how was it, man? Yeah, kalot.
Kaya yung ganda mo sila actually.
Social English expert. Kumusta man? Okay.
Okay na, okay na. Lumot pa yung siguro na lang.
Ay, maupos ka pa.
Yeah.
Sige, yung next. Sorry ah.
Yung next, mas labaw. Sorry, ako naman kayo mga fans mo. Local. Hi, Macau.
This time, makapans na ako.
Yeah. Mga related sa amo.
Tama.
Super close.
Super close sa ako.
Yeah.
Nag-request sila.
Yeah.
Nag-request kami na i-request daw. Tama.
So, maudod.
Sir.
Yung, pang ano na. Pang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8. Pang 8. Nagla kasi.
Pagbilang ko, pagbilang.
Pang 8.
Pang 8.
Namag-reach sa 8. Ako mama. Si Mama Ellen. Di ba kilaya ka?
Hey. Hey girl, how you doing? Hey, listen, I heard it was your birthday, and you know I love you so much. I think you're so amazing, beautiful, talented, and like that. So I pulled something together just for you for your birthday. So happy birthday. Okay.
Para sa 9th guest,
Kaga, happy birthday. You have a great time tonight. I'm on tour in Australia, so I can't be there, but I'll be thinking of you. I hope you do lots of sandwich dancing with caviar. I hope that you vomit all over yourself. I love you. Bye.
So, ang content guest na mo din, actually, last week na to, si Dorian. Tama na siya. May kundaan din, actually, masyak siya, promise din. Promise.
Hey, it's your birthday. Hope you party like it's your birthday. Drink Bacardi like it's your birthday. In the club like it's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
kilaya mo sabihin, last week nga po na ano, si Tati for Tati, hi. Tati, kaya ka. Okay, ako. Ay, actually, hindi naman na siya Tati, kay Tati ko na sila.
Hey, ayan.
Hi, it's Katy Perry. I wanted to wish you a happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy.
Your BFF, Paris.
want to wish you a happy, happy birthday and tell you I love you so much. You're amazing. You're so much fun.
If I was your cake, even just for a day, I would put on chocolate icing and wish you a happy birthday. Come on, if I was your cake! Girl, happy birthday. You know I'm crazy. I couldn't just say happy birthday, could I? Then I wouldn't be your crazy Tyra. Happy birthday, V. Eddie, check, thinking about you on your special day. Have a beautiful birthday and big kiss.
Remember pa name mo itong concert? Wala doon Ijo. Atong Ato. Na-text ko si Ate Kelly. Kelly kasi Ila Kelly ako si Kelly.
I just want to tell you how proud I am of you as a woman. As a friend, I just want to tell you that I love you very much, and may God bless you with many more years to come. Happy birthday, V. If I had something to get to you,
Justin!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, I love you.
Ben, itong last na siguro na super crush mo. Super mabuang ka kasi at in love na love ka din mo. Love na love. Mahuyo ko sa mo kagipuran ko sa mahal. Mahambutig niyo mo ni Tija, promise. Here it is.
This one's for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh.
Kaya namin pang 18. Yung nag-go, yung naka-list na tao lang nahanap. Sorry. Sige na.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Ben, tapos na sila. Tama siya. Nalinyo ko, no? Tumausap? Sige na. Nakuha na mo. Huh? Basta sila. So, kami sa binasad.